Hi, my name is Nicholas Agda. We are the group 6 and we'll discuss Ian Stewart's broken symmetry. So let's start with what is symmetry. So symmetry is the quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis. According to Ian Stewart, symmetry is a very important concept in arts and science, and it is something brains are very aware of. And if you see like a starfish, and a starfish got 5 points to it, right? And it looks really nice, right?
So let's start by introducing you the 3 types of symmetry. There are 3 types of symmetry. First is the reflection symmetry, also known as mirror symmetry, and it is easy to see because one half is a reflection of the other half. The second one is the rotational symmetry. It is when an object still looks the same after some rotation. Lastly, translation symmetry, also called as a slide, involves moving figures in a specific direction for a specific distance, and the figure appears unchanged. Where do symmetries of natural pattern come from? Think of a still pond, so flat that it can be thought as a mathematical plane. And an ideal mathematical plane has a huge amount of symmetry. You can translate it, rotate, and reflect in any mirror line, and it still looks the same. And try tossing a pebble into the pond. You see patterns, ripples, circular waves moves away from the point of impact of the pebble. And if you don't throw anything in it, all you get is a still and flat pond. The ripples on the pond are examples of a broken symmetry because the ripples has less symmetry than the pond, and it breaks the symmetry of the pond. Broken symmetry is a more dynamic idea, discussing the changes of patterns. The term spontaneous does not mean that there is no cause. However, it indicates that the cause is as tiny and insignificant as you please. Belousov-Zhabotinsky reaction. Belousov is a Russian chemist. In 1956, they discovered that some chemical reactions can change from one state to another and back again, repeatedly. He tried to publish his experiment, but the journal judged him and said that it is impossible and not accepted to be published. And after 10 years, Zhabotinsky is another Russian chemist, refined the experiment and really proved that it works. Then finally, it was published. In the busy reaction, they used chemicals like sodium bromide, sulfuric acid, and malonic acid. Then they put some coloring in it. They mixed it all up together. From red, it turned to blue, and then to brown. And then they stopped mixing. They put it on a bowl, and blue dot starts appearing. And then they have red dots inside, and it keeps growing and growing. It is not magic. It is called symmetry breaking. Symmetry is present throughout the nature, from leaves, flowers, and trees. It is amazing to look at. Just like the ripples of the water, reflections of a mountain in the water, it makes the world more beautiful. And through symmetry breaking, new patterns are formed.
Hi, my name is Arfel Aliones.
Hi, I'm Janvix Moga.
Hi, I'm Genoa Balya.
Okay, so that's it for Ian Stewart's Symmetry Breaking, Chapter 6 of Nature's Numbers. Hope you've learned something and hope you've enjoyed. So, again, we're the Group 6, and my name is Nicholas Agda. Peace out.